Pumpkin Patch and welcome to Artsy Thursday. Today we're going to make sun catchers. You're definitely going to need Mom and Dad's help for this one, so make sure they pay attention to the instructions. First, you're going to need some wax paper. You're going to need some crayons. Different colors are fun. I chose orange and red and green and purple, and also some blue and yellow. You can choose whatever colors you'd like. Then you're going to need a baggie. As you can see, I've already put my crayons in this baggie, but you'll need a baggie to put the crayons into. And then a hammer, because you use the hammer to help you break up the crayons. So what you'll do first is you'll take the paper off of all of the crayons, which I've already done, and then you put them in the baggie, and you use your hammer to bang on the crayons to break them up into little pieces. Because you want them to look like this, because we're going to be melting them down. This is how we're going to make colorful sun catchers. So once you've got your crayons ready to go, you'll need to get a piece of wax paper out and make sure you can choose as big a piece as you want. It doesn't really matter. And what you'll want to do is fold it in half, but make sure the wax part is on the middle. So you want to make sure you fold it so the wax part is in the middle. Then you'll lay it down and then you'll put your crayon pieces in there. And I'm going to sprinkle them all over the place. You can spread them out. If you want to keep the colors separate, you can, or you can put them all together like I did. So I'm going to spread them out like this on my little sheet of wax paper. Can you see how I did that? And then you're going to fold it over. And then with Mom or Dad's help, you're going to need an iron. And I have it set to a really low setting because you don't want it to burn anything. So you take the iron and you put it on the wax paper where the crayons are. And you just place it down for a minute and you hold it down and watch what happens. It starts to melt all of the crayons in there and makes really cool colors. So you can hold it down for as long as you want and however long you want it to melt. And I'll show you what it looks like. It's really pretty. So this is what it will look like when it's done, but you have to be careful because it's really hot. Now to make it fun, I was thinking I made this one a little bit earlier, and you could take some scissors and you could cut out a shape. So I decided I want my sun catcher to be in the shape of a flower. So I'm going to cut through it and make it into a pretty flower. And you can choose whatever shape you want, and Mom and Dad can help you cut, or I know you guys know how to cut too. So you could do a great job. So I'm going to cut mine into this shape as a flower, and then you can put it up into your window and it will catch the pretty sunlight through it. So have fun being artsy today and be creative, and know that we miss you very much at Pumpkin Patch. Happy Artsy Thursday during this week of the young child. See you soon.